Let's get you ready for one of the most important sections of the Cosmetology License Exam, chemical procedures. In this video, we'll review the key areas you need to know, including hair color and chemical relaxers, safety for chemical applications, and pH scale and product interactions. And keep an eye on the bottom corner. There's something there that can give your prep a serious edge. Let's get started.
Chemical procedures. Chemistry of hair color and chemical relaxers. What is the primary function of ammonia in hair color formulations? Is it A, neutralizes pH, B, acts as a conditioner, C, opens the hair cuticle, or D, adds shine to hair? The answer is C, opens the hair cuticle. Ammonia opens the hair cuticle, allowing color molecules to penetrate the cortex. This process is essential for permanent color changes. Without ammonia, the color would not effectively enter the hair shaft. Which chemical is commonly used in hair relaxers to break disulfide bonds? Is it A, sodium hydroxide, B, hydrogen peroxide, C, ammonium thioglycolate, or D, lactic acid? The answer is A, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a strong alkali used in chemical relaxers to break disulfide bonds in hair. This process straightens curly hair by altering its internal structure.
Have you noticed the code in the bottom corner? Next time you're stumped, take that code to birdsy.ai for immediate help and a free study session with Birdsy, your personal AI study partner. Plus, you'll get access to hundreds of additional questions, helping you move closer to passing your exam with confidence. The next time you're feeling unsure or stuck, give it a try.
What role does hydrogen peroxide play in hair coloring? Is it A, acts as a bleaching agent, B, oxidizes color molecules, C, neutralizes ammonia, or D, seals the hair cuticle? The answer is B, oxidizes color molecules. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a developer in hair coloring, oxidizing the color molecules and helping them bond with the hair. It also lightens natural hair color by breaking down melanin. Why is it important to perform a patch test before applying a chemical relaxer? Is it A, to check the product's expiration date, B, to determine hair porosity, C, to assess hair texture, or D, to detect allergic reactions? The answer is D, to detect allergic reactions. A patch test helps identify if the client has any allergic reactions or sensitivities to the chemicals in the relaxer. This precaution can prevent adverse reactions and ensure client safety. What effect does the pH level of a hair relaxer have on the hair? Is it A, softens and swells the hair shaft, B, closes the hair cuticle, C, increases hair elasticity, or D, adds moisture to the hair? The answer is A, softens and swells the hair shaft. The high pH level of hair relaxers helps to soften and swell the hair shaft, breaking down the disulfide bonds. This alteration allows the hair to be reshaped from curly to straight. Which ingredient in hair color formulations is responsible for opening the hair cuticle? Is it A, hydrogen peroxide, B, ammonia, C, ethanolamine, or D, sodium hydroxide? The answer is B, ammonia. Ammonia is commonly used in hair color formulations to open the hair cuticle, allowing color molecules to penetrate the hair shaft. This process is essential for effective hair coloring. What is the purpose of a neutralizer in the chemical relaxing process? Is it A, to soften the hair, B, to break disulfide bonds, C, to restore pH and reform bonds, or D, to add shine? The answer is C, to restore pH and reform bonds. Neutralizers are used after chemical relaxers to restore the hair's natural pH balance and reform the disulfide bonds in their new straightened configuration, ensuring the hair maintains its relaxed state. Which type of hair color provides the longest lasting results by penetrating the cortex? Is it A, permanent hair color, B, semi-permanent hair color, C, temporary hair color, or D, demi-permanent hair color? The answer is A, permanent hair color. Permanent hair color penetrates the cortex and alters the natural pigment, providing long-lasting results. It is resistant to washing out and typically requires regrowth touch-ups.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsy.
How does the pH level of a hair relaxer affect its strength and effectiveness? Is it A, lower pH increases strength, B, pH level has no effect, C, neutral pH is strongest, or D, higher pH increases strength? The answer is D, higher pH increases strength. The pH level of a hair relaxer determines its strength and effectiveness. Higher pH levels increase the relaxer's ability to break disulfide bonds, making it more effective at straightening hair. Which hair color process involves the use of a developer to lighten natural pigment? Is it A, direct dyeing, B, oxidative coloring, C, henna application, or D, temporary coloring? The answer is B, oxidative coloring. The oxidative hair color process uses a developer, typically hydrogen peroxide, to lighten the natural pigment and deposit new color. This is common in both permanent and demi-permanent hair colors. Which component in hair color formulations is responsible for the oxidation process? Is it A, ammonia, B, hydrogen peroxide, C, ethanolamine, or D, sodium hydroxide? The answer is B, hydrogen peroxide. In hair color formulations, hydrogen peroxide acts as the oxidizing agent. It activates the color molecules, allowing them to penetrate the hair shaft and produce the desired color change. What is the primary chemical reaction occurring during the hair relaxing process? Is it A, B, C, reduction, or D, polymerization? The answer is C, reduction. Hair relaxing involves breaking disulfide bonds in the hair's cortex through a reduction reaction. This alters the hair's structure, making it straighter and more manageable. How does the use of a base cream protect the scalp during the application of a chemical relaxer? Is it A, forms a protective barrier, B, neutralizes the relaxer, C, enhances relaxer penetration, or D, increases relaxer potency? The answer is A, forms a protective barrier. Base creams act as protective barriers, preventing the scalp from direct exposure to the harsh chemicals in relaxers, thus minimizing irritation and potential chemical burns. Why is it crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions when mixing hair color and developer? Is it A, to extend shelf life, B, to improve fragrance, C, to reduce application time, or D, to achieve desired color results? The answer is D, to achieve desired color results. Following manufacturer's instructions ensures the correct ratio of color to developer, which is essential for achieving the desired color result and preventing damage to the hair. What role does the pH level of a hair color play in the coloring process? Is it A, increases hair porosity, B, opens the hair cuticle, C, neutralizes hair acidity, or D, strengthens hair bonds? The answer is B, opens the hair cuticle. The pH level of hair color is typically alkaline, which helps open the hair cuticle. This allows the color molecules to penetrate the hair shaft, ensuring effective coloring. What is the primary function of a developer in hair color formulations? Is it A, to moisturize the hair, B, to condition the hair, C, to activate the hair color, or D, to add shine to the hair? The answer is C, to activate the hair color. Developers, typically containing hydrogen peroxide, activate the hair color by opening the cuticle and allowing the color molecules to penetrate the cortex, leading to lasting color changes. Which chemical is used to soften and swell the hair shaft during the relaxing process? Is it A, ammonium thioglycolate, B, sodium hydroxide, C, ethanolamine, or D, hydrogen peroxide? The answer is B, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, a strong alkali, is commonly used in relaxers to soften and swell the hair shaft, making it easier to break the disulfide bonds and straighten the hair. How does a neutralizing shampoo function after a chemical relaxer treatment? Is it A, it restores the hair's pH balance, B, it adds color to the hair, C, it strengthens the hair shaft, or D, it increases hair volume? The answer is A, it restores the hair's pH balance. Neutralizing shampoos restore the hair's natural pH balance and stop the chemical action of relaxers, preventing damage and ensuring the hair remains healthy and strong.
Stuck on a question? Just think of the Birdsy link in the description as your friendly neighborhood superhero, swooping in to save the day with answers. Feel free to explore it now and return to continue. Simply hit pause, and we'll be waiting when you get back.
Safety precautions for chemical applications. What is the first step you should take if a chemical spill occurs in a salon setting? Is it A, assess the situation and wear protective equipment, B, immediately clean the spill with water, C, call emergency services, or D, ventilate the area? The answer is A, assess the situation and wear protective equipment. The first step in handling a chemical spill is to assess the situation and ensure personal safety. This includes wearing appropriate protective equipment to prevent exposure to harmful substances. Which of the following is a key reason for storing chemicals in their original containers? Is it A, to prevent evaporation, B, to ensure proper labeling and safety instructions, C, to maintain the chemical's effectiveness, or D, to avoid contamination? The answer is B, to ensure proper labeling and safety instructions. Storing chemicals in their original containers ensures that all safety and handling instructions are readily available, reducing the risk of misuse or accidental exposure. Why is it important to have an eye wash station in a salon where chemical applications are performed? Is it A, to clean tools and equipment, B, to wash hands after chemical use, C, to provide immediate decontamination for eyes, or D, to improve salon hygiene? The answer is C, to provide immediate decontamination for eyes. An eye wash station provides immediate decontamination for eyes exposed to chemicals, which is crucial in preventing long-term damage or irritation. What is the recommended action if a client experiences a chemical burn during a treatment? Is it A, apply a bandage immediately, B, apply a soothing lotion, C, call emergency services immediately, or D, rinse the area with cool water? The answer is D, rinse the area with cool water. In case of a chemical burn, it's crucial to rinse the affected area with cool water immediately to dilute and remove the chemical, minimizing damage. Which personal protective equipment is essential when handling hair dyes and bleaching agents? Is it A, gloves, B, face shield, C, apron, or D, safety goggles? The answer is A, gloves. Gloves protect hands from chemical exposure, which can cause irritation or allergic reactions. They are essential when handling potentially harmful substances like hair dyes and bleaches. What is the primary reason for wearing gloves when applying chemical treatments in a salon? Is it A, to prevent skin irritation from chemicals, B, to avoid staining clothes, C. To enhance the chemical's effectiveness. Or D. To keep hands warm. The answer is A. To prevent skin irritation from chemicals. Gloves protect the skin from direct contact with potentially harmful chemicals, reducing the risk of skin irritation or allergic reactions. This is a key safety measure in chemical applications. Why is it crucial to conduct a patch test before using a new chemical product on a client? Is it A. To determine the product's color outcome? B. To check for allergic reactions? C. To assess the product's scent? Or D. To evaluate the product's texture? The answer is B. To check for allergic reactions. A patch test helps identify any allergic reactions to a product before full application. This precautionary step ensures client safety and prevents adverse reactions. Which safety measure is essential when mixing chemical products in a salon? Is it A. Wearing a face shield? B. Using a metal mixing bowl? C. Ensuring proper ventilation? Or D. Mixing near a heat source? The answer is C. Ensuring proper ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial to prevent inhalation of fumes, which can be harmful. Ensuring good airflow reduces the risk of respiratory issues. What is the purpose of maintaining an up-to-date material safety data sheet in a salon? Is it A. To track product inventory? B. To promote brand awareness? C. To enhance customer service? Or D. To provide safety information? The answer is D. To provide safety information. An MSDS provides detailed information on handling, storage, and emergency measures for chemicals. Keeping it current ensures quick access to safety information during incidents. What should be done if a chemical product accidentally gets into a client's eyes? Is it A. Apply a soothing cream? B. Flush with water immediately? C. Cover the eyes with a cloth? Or D. Wait for symptoms to subside? The answer is B. Flush with water immediately. Immediately flushing the eyes with water helps remove the chemical and reduce irritation. Quick action is vital to prevent damage to the eyes. What is the purpose of using a fume hood when working with volatile chemicals in a salon? Is it A. To capture and exhaust hazardous fumes? B. To store chemicals safely? C. To enhance the chemical reaction speed? Or D. To provide additional lighting? The answer is A. To capture and exhaust hazardous fumes. A fume hood is designed to capture and exhaust hazardous fumes away from the work area, minimizing inhalation risks and maintaining air quality. It's essential for volatile chemical applications. Why is it necessary to label all chemical containers clearly in a salon? Is it A. To increase shelf life of chemicals? B. To enhance the aesthetic of the storage area? C. To prevent accidental misuse? Or D. To comply with salon decor standards? The answer is C. To prevent accidental misuse. Clear labeling prevents accidental misuse and ensures that all salon staff can quickly identify and handle chemicals safely, reducing the risk of exposure and contamination. Which safety precaution is vital when disposing of chemical waste in a salon? Is it A. Mix all waste in a single container? B. Follow local regulations for disposal? C. Dispose of waste in regular trash bins? Or D. Flush all waste down the sink? The answer is B. Follow local regulations for disposal. Proper disposal prevents environmental contamination and health hazards. Following local regulations ensures safe and compliant disposal of chemical waste from salon activities. What should be done to ensure ventilation when working with strong-smelling chemicals in a salon? Is it A. Close all windows and doors? B. Use air fresheners to mask the smell? C. Turn on the salon's heating system? Or D. Ensure proper ventilation through open windows or exhaust fans? The answer is D. Ensure proper ventilation through open windows or exhaust fans. Proper ventilation is crucial to prevent the accumulation of harmful fumes, ensuring a safe working environment. It helps in reducing inhalation risks and maintaining air quality. What is the importance of maintaining a clean work area when handling chemicals in a salon? Is it A, to minimize the risk of spills and contamination? B, to impress clients with tidiness? C, to reduce the workload of cleaning staff? Or D, to speed up chemical reactions? The answer is A, to minimize the risk of spills and contamination. A clean work area minimizes the risk of accidental spills, cross-contamination, and exposure to harmful chemicals. It ensures a safe and efficient working environment for salon staff. Why is it important to avoid eating or drinking in areas where chemical treatments are performed? Is it A, it prevents clutter in the workspace? B, it ensures better concentration on tasks? C, it reduces the risk of chemical ingestion? Or D, it keeps the air free from food odors? The answer is C, it reduces the risk of chemical ingestion. Eating or drinking in areas where chemical treatments are performed can lead to accidental ingestion of harmful substances. Chemicals can contaminate food and beverages, posing health risks to salon staff and clients. What is the purpose of using a spill kit in a salon where chemical treatments are performed? Is it A, to quickly contain and clean up chemical spills? B, to store chemicals securely? C, to enhance the salon's appearance? Or D, to train staff in chemical handling? The answer is A, to quickly contain and clean up chemical spills. A spill kit is essential for quickly and safely containing chemical spills, preventing exposure to harmful substances, and minimizing environmental contamination in the salon. Why should chemical products be kept away from heat sources in a salon? Is it A, to prevent evaporation of the chemicals? B, to reduce the risk of fire or hazardous reactions? C, to ensure chemicals remain effective? Or D, to prevent odors from spreading? The answer is B, to reduce the risk of fire or hazardous reactions. Chemicals can be flammable or reactive when exposed to heat, increasing the risk of fire or hazardous reactions. Keeping them away from heat sources is crucial for safety.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsy.
pH scale and product interactions. What is the pH range of human skin, and why is it important to consider this when selecting skincare products? Is it A, 4.5 to 5.5, B, 7 to 8, C, 2 to 3, or D, 8 to 9? The answer is A, 4.5 to 5.5. Human skin typically has a pH range of 4.5 to 5.5. Maintaining this acidic environment is crucial for protecting against harmful bacteria and maintaining moisture balance. Which of the following pH levels would indicate an alkaline shampoo, and what effect might this have on hair? Is it A, 4.5, B, 5.5, C, 6.5, or D, 8.5? The answer is D, 8.5. An alkaline shampoo with a pH above 7 can open the hair cuticle, which may lead to increased frizz and damage over time. Why is it important for a conditioner to have a slightly acidic pH, and what benefits does this provide? Is it A, to increase hair volume, B, to close the hair cuticle, C, to strip oils from the scalp, or D, to neutralize hair color? The answer is B, to close the hair cuticle. A slightly acidic pH helps to close the hair cuticle, which can enhance shine and smoothness while also protecting against environmental damage. How does a product with a low pH impact the color retention of dyed hair? Is it A, causes color to fade faster. B, has no effect on color retention. C, helps maintain color vibrancy. Or D, lightens hair color. The answer is C, helps maintain color vibrancy. A low pH product helps to seal the hair cuticle, which can lock in color and prevent fading, maintaining the vibrancy of dyed hair. What might be the consequence of using a highly alkaline product on the scalp, and how can this be mitigated? Is it A, scalp irritation and dryness? B, increased hair growth? C, enhanced moisture retention? Or D, stronger hair follicles? The answer is A, scalp irritation and dryness. Highly alkaline products can irritate the scalp, leading to dryness and flakiness. Using a pH-balanced conditioner can help restore the scalp's natural pH and soothe irritation. How does the pH level of a facial cleanser affect its interaction with the skin's acid mantle? Is it A, a pH level of 7, B, a pH level of 5, C, a pH level of 9, or D, a pH level of 3? The answer is B, a pH level of 5. The skin's acid mantle typically has a pH of around 4.5 to 5.5. A cleanser with a similar pH maintains this balance, protecting against bacteria and irritation. What is the effect of using a toner with a pH of 3 on oily skin? Is it A, balances oil production? B, increases oiliness? C, causes dryness? Or D, promotes acne? The answer is A, balances oil production. A toner with a pH of 3 can help balance oily skin by removing excess oil and tightening pores, but overuse may lead to irritation due to its acidity.
Don't forget to comment below with your tips, challenges, and thoughts on exam preparation. Your experiences can make a big difference for others.
Patch testing and client consultations. What is the primary purpose of conducting a patch test before a chemical procedure? Is it A, to determine hair texture? B, to check for allergic reactions? C, to evaluate product effectiveness? Or D, to measure pH levels of the product? The answer is B, to check for allergic reactions. A patch test is conducted to assess the client's skin sensitivity and potential allergic reaction to the chemical products used. This helps prevent adverse reactions during the procedure. How long should a patch test be observed for any adverse reactions? Is it A, 1 to 2 hours, B, 12 hours, C, 24 to 48 hours, or D, 72 hours? The answer is C, 24 to 48 hours. A patch test should be observed for 24 to 48 hours to accurately identify any delayed allergic reactions, ensuring client safety before proceeding with the full treatment. During a client consultation, what is a crucial step to ensure an effective patch test? Is it A, discuss styling preferences? B, evaluate hair length? C, choose hair color? Or D, review medical history? The answer is D, review medical history. Obtaining the client's complete medical history, including allergies and past reactions, is crucial. This information helps tailor the patch test and anticipate potential issues. What action should be taken if a client exhibits a mild reaction during a patch test? Is it A, postpone the procedure? B, proceed with caution? C, ignore if mild? Or D, apply soothing cream? The answer is A, postpone the procedure. If a client shows any reaction, even mild, the procedure should be postponed. Further assessment is needed to determine if alternative products or methods are required. Why is it important to document the results of a patch test in a client's record? Is it A, to comply with legal requirements? B, for future treatment reference? C, to track product inventory? Or D, to evaluate stylist performance? The answer is B, for future treatment reference. Documenting patch test results ensures a comprehensive record for future reference, aiding in the safe customization of treatments and preventing repeated adverse reactions. What is the recommended course of action if a client has a history of allergic reactions during prior chemical procedures? Is it A, proceed with the procedure without testing? B, use a different product without testing? C, perform a patch test with the intended product? Or D, consult a dermatologist before proceeding? The answer is C, perform a patch test with the intended product. Clients with a history of allergic reactions should undergo a patch test to prevent adverse reactions. This helps ensure the safety and suitability of the chemical product for the client. When conducting a client consultation, what is a vital piece of information to gather for a successful patch test? Is it A, client's preferred products? B, client's history of skin reactions? C, client's dietary habits? Or D, client's hair color? The answer is B, client's history of skin reactions. Obtaining detailed information about a client's history of skin reactions helps tailor the patch test process, ensuring accurate results and avoiding potential adverse reactions.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, tips, and tricks. And don't forget to visit birdsy.ai for complimentary study sessions with Birdsy, your AI-powered study partner.